This video is for B Form first year, second semester, EVS, and topic is water pollution. Here is a quote of John Todd. Our liquid planet glows like a soft blue sapphire in the hard-edged darkness of space. There is nothing else like it in the solar system. It is because of water. Here we can say that essential thing for our life is water. The second one is the introduction. Water is the essential element that makes life on earth possible. Without water, there would be no life. We usually take water for granted. It flows from our tap when they are turned on. Most of us are able to bathe when we want to, swim when we choose, and water our gardens. Like good health, we ignore water when we have it. Although 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, but only a teeny fraction of this water is valuable to us as fresh water. About 97% of the total water available on Earth is found in oceans and is to salty for drinking or irrigation. The remaining 3% of fresh water on this 2.993% is locked in ice caps of glaciers. Thus, only 0.003% of the Earth's total volume of water is easily available to us as soil moisture, groundwater, ground vapor, and water in lakes, streams, rivers, and wetlands. Water availability on the planet. Water that is found in streams, rivers, lakes, and wetlands and artificial reservoirs is called surface water. Water that percolates into the ground and fill the pores is soil and rock called groundwater. So there are two types of water, surface water and groundwater. And let us see what is the porous water. Saturated layers of sand, gravels or bedrock through which groundwater flows are called aquifers. Most aquifers are replenished naturally by rainfall and percolates downward through What is water pollution? When the quality or composition of water changes directly or indirectly as a result of man's activities such that it becomes unfit for any purpose, it is said to be polluted. I am repeating the sentence. When the quality or composition of water changes directly or indirectly as a result of man's activities such that it becomes unfit for any purpose, it is said to be polluted. Point sources of pollution. When a source of pollution can be readily identified because it has a definite source and place where it enters the water, it is said to come from point source. Example: municipal and industrial discharges pipe. When a source of pollution cannot be readily identified, such as agriculture runoff, acid rain, etc., they are said to non-point sources of pollution. Causes of water pollution. Here we see what is the cause of water pollution. There are several causes of common water pollution. These are disease-causing agents, protozoans, pathogens, which include bacteria, virus, protozoa, and parasitic worms that enter water from domestic sewage and untreated human and animal waste. Human waste contain concentrated population of coliform bacteria such as E. coli, S. facile. These bacteria normally grow in the large intestine of human, where they are responsible for some food digestion and for the production of vitamin K. Another category of water pollutants in oxygen depleting waste. These are organic waste that can be decomposed by aerobic oxygen requiring bacteria. Large populations of bacteria use up the oxygen present in water to aggregate the waste. In this process, this degrades water quality. A third class of pollutants are inorganic plant nutrients. A third class of pollutants are inorganic plant nutrients. These are water-soluble nutrients and phosphates that nitrates and phosphate causes excessive growth of algae and other aquatic plant. That the excessive growth of algae and other plants aquatic due to add nutrients called eutrophication. The quantity of fertilizers applied in a field is often many times more than is actually required for the plants. The chemicals in fertilizers and pesticides pollutes soil and water, while excess fertilizers cause eutrophication. Pesticides cause bioaccumulation and biomagnification. Pesticides which enter water bodies are introduced into the aquatic food chain. Example DDT. Fourth class of water pollutants is the water-soluble inorganic chemicals, which are acids, salt, and compounds of toxic metal such as mercury and lead. High levels of these chemicals can make water unfit to drink, harm fish and other aquatic life, reduce crop yield, and accelerate corrosion of equipments that use this water. Another cause of water pollution is variety of organic chemical which include oil, gasoline, plastics, pesticides, cleaning solvents, detergents, and many other chemicals. Sediments of suspended matter. Sediments and of suspended matter is another class of water pollutants. These are insoluble particles of soil and other solids that become suspended in water. This occurs when soil is eroded in water. High level of soil particles suspended in water eruptions. With the penetration of the sunlight. Water-soluble radioactive isotopes. Water-soluble radioactive isotopes are yet another source of water pollution. These can be concentrated in various tissues and organs as they pass through food chain and food web. Ionizing radiation emitted by such isotopes can cause birth defects, cancer and genetic damage. Hot water. Hot water let out by power plants and industries that use large volume of water to cool the plant result in rise in temperature of the local water bodies. Thermal pollution occur when industry returns the heated water to a water resource. Oil is the waste. Oil is washed into surface water in runoff from roads and parking lots, which also pollutes groundwater. Leakage from underground tanks is the another source of pollution. Accidental oil spills from large transport tankers at sea have been causing significant environmental damage. groundwater pollution. While oil spills are highly visible and often get a lot of media attention, a much greater insult to human life come from our groundwater being polluted, which is used for drinking, irrigation. Causes: there are many causes of water pollution, but some of these are here. Urban runoff, untreated or poorly treated waste water and garbage. Industrial storage located above or near aquifers. Agriculture practices such as application of large amount of fertilizer and pesticides agricultural pesticides such as application of large amount of fertilizer and pesticides, animal feeding operation in the rural sector, leakage from underground tanks containing gasoline and hazardous substances, leakage from landfills, poorly designed and inadequately maintained septic tanks, mining wastes, severe causes of arsenic poisoning from contaminated groundwater have been reported from West Bengal in what is known today as worst case of groundwater pollution. Control measures are preventive water pollution